Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, guys. Welcome back again with me, Muhammad Faisal Hafiz, and today I gonna make daily vlog again. Today is Monday, and I just got back from class IT station 1 in the afternoon, and today I made a instant noodle for my dinner, and I just waiting for the noodle until it's cooked, and the water is already boiling there. I like the noodle instant else. The cook the cook of the noodle like is half bukan half sih, cook well cook. Congratulations. And I just waiting here, and I add some seasoning like a salt and red pepper red pepper chili pepper, and a little bit like, what is this, I forgot, kaldu, chicken seasoning. Okay, that's enough, I think. I guess we can try it. Okay, can test the, how the cook. What others? And there's a dishes here, and my friends still not clean it. I don't know why they just not clean after they eat. I just feel, wow, is is this through my eyes? If there's something like a dirty like that. Sometimes I will cleaning for them because I don't they don't ask me actually, but I do it by myself. Okay, the noodle is already cooked, and I will turn off the stove, and because this is the watery noodle, so I will not waste the water of boiling, so just add it with the noodle, right, like this. Okay, that's all about this daily vlog. Goodbye, guys.